Look at this question. It says, find the position of each of the following terms in a sequence whose nth term is given by this formula. Okay? What is the position of A? Let's start. For A, we have the nth term to be minus 1. So we replace this one by minus 1, say equal to 2n minus 9. We are looking for n. We move this to the side. That is 8. Divide both sides by 2. It means n therefore is equal to 4. So it is the fourth position. That is where you find minus 1 for this term. Okay? The fourth position. For this 5, we say 5 equals to 2n minus 9. Okay? We move this to the side. We have 14. Divide both sides by 2. And here is equal to 7. That is the seventh term for the second one. For the C part, that's 15 equal to 2n minus 9. We move this to the side. This will give us 24. Divide both sides by 2. You agree with me? This is the 12th term. Okay? Then finally we have 31. That is 31 is equals to 2n minus 9. That is for the D. That is 31 plus 9 equals to 2n, which will give us 40 equals to 2n. Divide both sides by 2. You agree with me? You're going to have 20. So that is, we are looking at what? The 20th term to get 31. Okay? All this understood. Thank you for viewing.